The video is made for BCom second semester students for basic English subject for Karnataka University, Dharwad. The video is presented by Prabal Jagdish Roddannavar, Assistant Professor of English, Shri K.H. Patil, Government First Grade College, Hulkoti, Gadag. La Belle Dame Sans Mercy by John Keats. John Keats was born on 31st of October in Moorgate, London, to Thomas Keats and Frances Jennings. He was the eldest of 4 surviving children. He lost his mother, who died of tuberculosis when he was 15 years old. Keats wanted to become a doctor. However, he gave up his dream for poetry. He became a well-known romantic poet with Lord Byron and P.B. Shelley. He died of tuberculosis on 23rd of February in 1821. His works include Hyperion. Hyperion is an epic poem by John Keats that tells the story of the fall of the Titan gods at the hands of the Olympians. Out on a Grecian Urn. It examines the close relationship between art, beauty, and truth. La Belle Dame Sans Mercy. It is a conversation between the poet and a knight who fell in love with a lady, but she left him. To Autumn. The poem praises autumn, describing its abundance, harvest, and transition into winter. On Melancholy. It is one of the 5 odes Keats composed in 1819, which are considered to be among his best work. Essentially, the poem is about how to deal and how not to deal with deep sadness. Ode to Psyche. It is a tribute to the Greek goddess Psyche, with whom Cupid fell in love. Ode to a Nightingale. The poem focuses on a speaker standing in a dark forest, listening to the beguiling and beautiful song of the nightingale bird. This provokes a deep and meandering meditation by the speaker on time, death, beauty, nature, and human suffering